Today I'll be talking about the Android TV box, including IPTV, video on demand, and TV on demand. The box that we'll be discussing today has 4 gigabytes of RAM, HDMI output, audio input and output, and 2 USB ports, as well as a memory card slot. The first thing you'll want to do is make sure you have the HDMI connected and set up to a wireless network. This also includes Ethernet, so if you have an Ethernet cable you want to hook up to your router, you can directly connect it. First thing you want to do is go to Settings, and then make sure it's connected, to your wireless network. Second thing we're going to do is connect to the first app, which is called TV Mate. This will include the IPTV live channels, including pretty much Spectrum, pay-per-view, sports programming, local channels, movie channels. What I have right here is a Bluetooth controller that makes navigation through this almost like a home, cable remote system would be. I have volume up, volume down, back, forward, and then like a mouse arrow. So it's pretty, explain. So we can click on TV Mate here, get started. As you start at TV Mate, you'll notice on the left side over here we have favorites, all channels, live pay-per-view events. We'll start with the live pay-per-view events. As they come on, you'll have boxing, UFC, various pay-per-view events, over 30, 40, 50 channels available for pay-per-view. US sports pretty much covers ESPN, Fox Sports, Fight Pass, Golf Channels, NBA, Motor Trend, ESPN News, Big Ten Network, World Fishing. US News, you have your national news, Fox, MSNBC, CBS, BBC, Newsmax, One America News, Fox Business, HLN, Al Jazeera, so forth and so on. As we get to premium, this will include something similar to Spectrum programming. We have TNT, HGTV, History Channel, Comedy Central, Hallmark, Paramount, Disney Junior, Bravo. Pretty much to hit play.
Now, but I want to work with the girl.
You'll see the description of the show. You'll see the definition, which is HD, 60 frames per second, stereo. Simply get out of this. You can hit back down through on the premium channel system. Sci-Fi channel. As we go down, we have NBA. This will cover NBA games as they happen in live. NFL, same thing. We have scheduled games for this Sunday, Saturday, tonight. US movies, this will include Showtime, HBO, Cinemax, Stars, Cinemax Movies, HBO Zone, Showtime Extreme. Rocky Balboa, HBO Family.
Dixon landed an incredible 59 out of 69.
Why'd you listen to me?
As we get out of the movies, we have NHL, MLB League Pass, pretty much any major sports subscription you buy through DirecTV or cable, NCAA, NFL, DAZN. These are your local channels. This include anything from your state or national. Right now I have Ohio news and organizations programmed on here. Fox Cleveland, Columbus, 24/7 streams. This is a nice function because you have various TV shows and movies that usually play on here 24 hours a day, with no commercials included. US music, this includes music videos, just audio, 90s music. United States, this has some extra bonus channels. Hallmark movies, InfoWars, Viceland, Dog TV, Bloomberg, CBS local affiliates, PBS, NBC local affiliates, all ESPN Plus channels, Red Bull TV, US Kids, over 50 US Kids channels, Baby, Disney Junior, ABC affiliates, Pluto TV, Formula One racing. So that pretty much includes the live TV and pay-per-view portion of the TV mate portion of this box. We're going to switch to the video on demand now. Pretty much back is the escape, back. Now we're going to roll over to IPTV Smarters Pro here. We're going to go to the movies tab right here. And on this movie tab, you'll notice two categories: movie video on demand, TV video on demand, and then all, which includes both. So for video on demand, it has the general list of 14,000, pretty much all included right here. If you're looking for something specific, you can use the search bar right here. Type in something like Scream. And you can see Scream 4 pops up right here. The Curse of the Screaming Dead. Night Screams. Scream Queen. I Wake Up Screaming. Pretty much you simply click on it, hit play, using the mouse pad. Can take up to a minute based on your internet connection to load the movie. What's nice about this is you have the basic functions of almost any video player. Stream 2022, movie video on demand. It shows the total length of the movie. You can, skip ahead.
That she remains a delight. Are you okay? Would you mind giving...
Now we'll go to the TV version over here. It's video on demand. 19,000 choices, almost 20. And you see MTV Cribs, Mountain Men, Young Rock, pretty much any major TV show. It has usually the last couple seasons of that. Shark Tank, Gold Rush, Archer, Roswell, 911, The First 48, Hell's Kitchen. Same way with the movies. Mouse pad to hit play.
Previously on Hell's Kitchen, the chef's race to compose a dish.
No commercials.
Using only 5 ingredients.
You can see the hour shows condensed down to 43 minutes with all commercials cut out. So this is good if you're working, come home, miss the last few episodes, or the whole season of a TV show, you can cut out all the commercials and watch it on demand. Okay, we'll go back to the main screen of the box here. What I've included here is just like a task killer. What I like to do every so often is either reboot the box once a day or hit this task killer. On the TV Mate app right here, there's one update setting I want to show you, and that'll wrap up our pretty much tutorial here. So as we go to the main screen here, let me go back in here. We go down to settings. We want to go down all the way to EPG. EPG is the programming that gives you the TV guide on some of the channels included. You'll want to hit EPG and update EPG once a day to get that programming up to date to download, updated information on TV shows. It should say at the bottom, EPG is successfully updated for 312 channels, and it'll say the date and the time of the last update. This should just take about 1 to 2 minutes to update. And we're all done. You hit that, back, and we're back here. So you have, just updates that.
Fair runner-up in this tournament.
Proudest chance in ace. They want
That pretty much concludes the tutorial on the Android TV box. You get 1 year of TV, live TV subscription included, including on the video on demand, TV on demand. Hardware is included. Some people are paying upwards of $250 a month just for cable TV. For the price of this, you pretty much pay for it in a couple months. Thank you for your time.